Welcome to Extreme Loaders, where we bring you the most exciting and intense moments from the world of heavy machinery, transportation, and thrilling setups. Get ready for jaw-dropping action and behind-the-scenes footage. A truck overturned on the 828 near Weza, and the recovery team swiftly handled the situation, returning the vehicle to its upright position. The footage highlights the professionalism and coordination of the rescue team, ensuring traffic flows smoothly once again. The challenging work is vital in maintaining road safety and minimizing disruption. The video showcases the transportation and assembly of large amusement park equipment for World of Fun. Technicians work diligently to ensure that every ride, from roller coasters to Ferris wheels, is carefully set up. This meticulous process not only requires technical expertise but also builds excitement for the park's opening. The build-up for the Alkmaar 2023 festival is in full swing, with massive amusement rides being transported and installed. The video highlights the collaboration required to assemble everything from roller coasters to giant wheels. Precision is key, as the rides must be both operational and safe before the festival opens. In this follow-up footage, large amusement rides at Alkmaar 2024 continue to take shape. Technicians are hard at work, ensuring each component is connected correctly and operational. The video showcases the precision required for assembling these rides, setting the stage for an exhilarating festival experience. Setting up the dolly under the Euro scooter ride is a challenging task. The footage captures technicians carefully preparing the ride for operation. This step requires accuracy and attention to detail to ensure everything runs smoothly, guaranteeing visitors a safe and thrilling experience once the ride is up and running. The build-up for Alkmaar 2024 is underway, with massive rides being assembled. The footage shows the careful placement of each ride component. Technicians are working at full speed to ensure everything is ready for the opening day. The energy and excitement of the preparations are palpable as the festival draws near. This video captures the process of building the Leiden 2024 festival, showing rides being assembled and tested. The footage reveals the precision and teamwork required to make the festival a success. From transporting the massive components to setting up the rides, preparation is an essential part of delivering an unforgettable experience. Large rides are gradually coming together on day 2 of the Venraid 2024 build. The footage highlights the hard-working technicians diligently setting up the rides, ensuring each one is safe and ready for the festival. The teamwork and effort put into the assembly process are evident as the festival nears completion. A truck overturned at the Quattrobres roundabout in Nordbergen, and the recovery team swiftly arrived to resolve the issue. The footage showcases the skill and coordination needed to right the truck and clear the scene, ensuring minimal disruption to traffic. The efficiency of the rescue operation is a testament to the team's expertise. The propeller ride setup is a precise operation. Technicians carefully place and secure each component to ensure the ride will function smoothly. The video demonstrates the detailed and meticulous work involved in setting up this thrilling attraction, ensuring that it will deliver a safe and exciting experience for festival goers. A truck overturned on its way to a call in Dordrecht, and the rescue team quickly responded to the scene. The footage shows the recovery team working efficiently to clear the road and restore traffic. This situation emphasizes the importance of fast and skilled intervention in dealing with accidents and keeping traffic flowing smoothly. A truck overturned on its way to a call in Dordrecht, and the rescue team quickly responded to the scene. The footage shows the recovery team working efficiently to clear the road and restore traffic. This situation emphasizes the importance of fast and skilled intervention in dealing with accidents and keeping traffic flowing smoothly. Point 1. The transportation of a Wolfman drilling rig requires careful planning and precision. The video shows how the heavy equipment is loaded and secured for transport. This process highlights the technical expertise and coordination necessary to move such large, complex machinery, ensuring its safe delivery and setup. Heavy snow creates chaos in Silverhagen, Sweden. As vehicles get stuck, the recovery team works under harsh weather conditions to rescue the trapped cars. The video showcases their determination and skill in managing the situation, turning a chaotic scene into a successful recovery despite the challenging weather. A crane accident could have ended badly, but the quick response of the recovery team ensured a successful resolution. The footage shows how the crew handled the situation precisely, safely righting the crane and preventing further damage. This incident highlights the importance of timely action and skill in avoiding major accidents. Transporting the KMG airborne ride involves careful planning and execution. The video captures the complex process of moving the ride's massive components, requiring precise coordination to avoid mishaps. This cautious preparation ensures that the ride will be fully operational for the festival, providing an exhilarating experience for visitors. A team of specialists successfully lifts a fallen excavator back into position. The process is challenging and requires specialized equipment and skilled operators. The video showcases the precision and expertise needed to safely lift such heavy machinery, demonstrating the resilience of the recovery team in handling such a complex situation. The transportation of a 125-ton Liebherr 984 excavator is an intricate process. The video shows the careful planning and execution required to move such a massive machine. Specialized heavy transport vehicles ensure the excavator is safely delivered to its destination. The footage highlights the complexity and precision involved in handling large-scale machinery transport. Thanks for watching Extreme Loaders. Stay tuned for more heart-pounding action and incredible feats of engineering. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing content.